first. But it's important that students remember that 10 to the second power is the same as saying 1 with 2 zeros behind it, or you could say 10 times 10. But what you notice is 2 to the second power, when you write it in standard form, has 2 zeros, or if you expand it out, you would multiply 10 twice. So 2 is the key in that. So let's work the problem. There's two different ways you can work this. You can either choose to move each actual number, or you can choose to hop your decimal. I'm going to show you both ways. So I'm going to start by writing my number in my place value chart. And I gave all of the students a sheet of paper with empty place value charts where they can have these at home to help them. And I'm dividing it by 10 to the second power. Well, that division is going to let me know if I'm dividing something up, I'm making it smaller. So when you're moving on the place value chart and you want to get smaller, you need to move towards the right. So the first example, I'm actually going to move the numbers. I'm keeping the decimal right where it is. How many times am I going to move my numbers to the right? 2 times. So I'm going to start with my 5 and I'm going to hop it 1, 2, and I'm just going to hop it over here because we don't have a. I'm going to hop my 9, 1, 2. Hop my 5, 1, 2. Hop my 1, 1, 2. And hop my 4, 1, 2. So your answer would be this. There's another way you can work it. I'm going to flip it over. And I'm ignoring place values, and I'm just going to use this as a plain whiteboard. So once again, if my number is 415 and 95 thousandths, I'm dividing it by 10 to the second power. I could say, I just want to move my decimal around because I like that strategy better, which is fine. I like to tell the kids when they're moving the decimal to think driver's license, D for division, and the L is going to remind them to move that decimal to the left. So I'm going to hop my decimal 1, 2 times, and my answer will be exactly the same. Either strategy is fine with me as long as the students realize when they're moving that decimal, they're essentially making all of these numbers smaller. But you get the same answer using both strategies. I do not care which one they use.